Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to do some unboxing. I have a ton of PR kits that were given to me and I just haven't opened them. So I wanted to take some time to do that. And you know, when I accept any PR kits, it's only things that I'm going to use. I often get asked to do lots of different unboxings and I turn away a lot of them because, you know, I really do crafts. I'm not going to need a charging station for an electric car just because I don't have one. But when they asked me to do this one, I jumped at it. It is a cordless rotary tool kit. And I said, okay, let's check this out because I think I could do a lot of stuff with this. So let's go ahead and open it. It's called the Hardell, and I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in it at all. I don't make any commission or anything off of this. But it is I don't know, is it a drill bit? I saw that it had some drill bits in there. I saw that it had some of these little grinder things, like when you go get your nails done, but I don't think that's what this is for. This is more for doing like cutting, like little small projects. So it's got a USB-C to charge it. Usually they have a little bit of a charge here. Let's see. They do. Oh yeah, that goes fast. And you can go faster and slower. It's got a little light there, so you can see what you're doing. Look at that. And then, this is what I thought. So I'm gonna kind of do a little bit. I'm gonna get out this little guy here. It's got all kinds of fun little bits that I'm seeing here. And I'm assuming it's like a drill. I'm looking to see. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. That's what happens when I open these things. So probably directions are the way to go. Let's look at directions. See what all comes in it. All right, how to use. Push down the spindle locking button and screw the nut. Choose a suitable collet and insert the bits you need and secure them by holding the lock. Do not press the spindle lock button or tighten the nut when the motor is running. Okay. So we got that part done. Let's see here. There we go. They have different sizes of these little guys for bigger and smaller. I see now. See when you pay attention. That's really small though, but we'll trade it out. And put that back in there. Oh, do I have to turn that again? Oh, you have to hold this down when you're turning. Okay. We're going to try this guy again. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. So I think that is how it, yeah. Okay, so when you're putting it on, you want to hold that to tighten it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the reason I was thinking about this is I'm going to start with this one, but I'm looking at all these other little drill bits. This one and this one might be what I'm needing, but for right now, I'm going to try this one. And from the Dollar Tree, I got these Easter eggs. And they already have kind of these little holes in them. But let me open this. I'm not going to do the whole project, but my aunt had showed me this before, and I thought it was the cutest project for Easter. So I want to take these little holes that are here and kind of open it up a little bit. So, oh, that went really easy. Okay, that went really easy. And that made that little hole right there. I'm not going to do it again here because I don't need it. But I'm going to open this up because that's not the bit I want after all. I'm thinking that this one would probably be better. So, again, this is two. We're learning together, but that's okay. I'm going to take this drill bit out. I'm thinking, yes, that one's good. So I'm going to put that in there. And then we can put this one back in here. Now that I know how to do it, much easier. So, oh yeah, look how easy that is. And I just want to open this up. It already has that. Whoop. This, my friend, is why I show this, because we're making mistakes here. So you're going to want to make sure this is really tight. And maybe I used, no, it's tight on there now. We'll see. I'm going to do that this way now. And you might be asking why I'm doing this. And this is so that I can put a nice hole. And it doesn't have to look beautiful, because what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I can put, you know, those little Christmas lights in here. And then you put a whole bunch of these on a strand of Christmas lights. And then you have little Easter egg lights that you can have around your table. And then you can cover it with flowers and stuff like that. So it's not beautiful, but it works. And I'm just trying to think of other projects. If you're doing like jewelry, like I always wondered how they got those little holes when you're making jewelry on like shells and stuff like that. And then I saw this, and yeah, they have shells there. They also use it for sanding, carving, polishing, cutting, and grinding. So I thought that was pretty cool. I definitely think I can use this. I felt like it would be an okay PR to accept because of all these lovely drill bits. I think we can really do some crafts, and especially with the jewelry making, I feel like this could work. So this one's to polish. Some more polishing. All of these are to polish, so I think that's pretty good. We've got these little guys for sanders. I don't know what this is for, but all you're gonna do is you put this guy in here, plug this into a USB, and then you can charge it, and it's wireless. So I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. I really love the light for sure. All right, beauties, let me know, what would you do with a machine like this? Let's see if we can get some different crafts going. All right, I hope you like this. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and